The turbine spins due to the force of falling water pushing on the blade. A water turbine is similar to a windmill, but instead of wind, it uses falling water to generate energy. The kinetic energy of falling water is converted into mechanical energy by the turbine. Shafts and potentially gears connect the generator to the turbine, causing the turbine to spin as well. A small motor or a generator can produce 12 to 24 volts. This voltage is too small for powering basic electric appliances, but it can be stored in a battery altogether.